Today, we review the best soda maker that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. Number 1. SodaStream Source Sparkling Water Maker. The machine is compatible with a carbon dioxide canister which you can fit the housing at the back of the machine. Each of these CO2 cylinders allows you to make 61-liter bottles of carbonated drinks. Once the canister is used up, you can take it to any SodaStream store and get it refilled for the next use. Number 2. SodaStream Jet Sparkling. This soda maker is also from the same company as the previous one and has excellent performance, but with a slightly different design. Its body has black and silver accents which give it a stylish appearance, and it will suit the decor of any contemporary kitchen. The soda maker is very easy to use. Number 3. iSi Stainless Steel Soda Siphon Bottle. This iSi soda siphon bottle brings the tradition of soda siphon in a more durable, sleek, and contemporary form. The siphon bottle has a durable construction made with high-quality stainless steel which resists corrosion and also prevents the siphon from breaking from impact damage. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Fizzini Hand Soda Maker. The Hamilton Beach Fizzini is a great solution to a situation like this, as it is a handheld, portable and compact soda maker that you can easily carry with yourself and prepare fresh soda drinks anywhere, anytime. The soda maker comes in a slender cylindrical design with a clear bottle which will allow you to see the contents of the bottle without having to open up the cap. Number 5. Innovee Soda Siphon. This soda siphon from Innovee is a great way to cut down the cost and effort you have to spend on buying soda cans from the store and to make personalized additive-free carbonated drinks at the comfort of your home. This siphon is made of aluminum and hence it has a classy metallic appearance which makes it suitable for being used at home or at modern bars and restaurants.